Swider, and today I will present a dance choreographed by Keholani Shonki, which I learned when I danced at Aratoa Dance School in 2019. I have chosen this song today because I believe that it carries a powerful message. That it is our duty as Ta'ata to take care of our land, which is at the heart of Rise of Venua's mission. Rise of Venua is a project I created to give back to the underserved youth in Tahiti. This title of Miss Heiva San Diego has given me the platform to be able to spread awareness about the underserved youth in Tahiti. In July, we donated 25 school supplies filled with pens, paper, crayons for the students attending the CJA in Mahina. This was just a small step to a bigger impact. These youth are the individuals who will carry our culture and allow it to flourish for many years to come. And it is our responsibility as cultural enthusiasts far from the island to help support, uplift our younger generations in meaningful ways. And as Ori Tahiti continues to grow and spread across horizons, it's important to remember that learning the dance is only part of honoring the culture. Today, I ask that we as a community rise the Venua together. Whether it's through donations, support, or even creating your own initiatives, anything will make a difference. It's small change that will create a bigger difference because this is just the beginning. Maruru!
Everyone, a round of applause for our Miss Heiva.
We are so proud of her.
Judges, she is Ma'ohi, and she is also, for us here as Polynesians in the U.S., she's, born and raised here. She's about to do an aparima, is that right? Choreographed by our judge and one of my favorite creatives as well, Keholani. So Keho, we hope you're proud of this. And she's gonna dance for us. Leilani's family, are we here? Our Swider family. Hey, there's Mom. Masar, I hope you're very proud. You know what's beautiful? She did not just win this pageant, but she is making action. Yeah, so not just winning something and calling it a day. She made her voyage back to Tahiti. She talked at Nonosina. She talked at all different dance schools to encourage them. Like she said, dance is only one part of the taura. It's only one part. There's so many parts of this. So Vic Hede and Tim, hope you guys are so proud. We are proud of her. Tahiti's proud of her. Her dance group is proud of her. And I think she's about to get ready to dance.
Yep, that is right. She's about to dance. She's going to take the stage. This will be her farewell dance as she will be passing the crown over to the new Miss Heiva of 2025. And to add to what Cousin Tiana said, Hinanui has definitely made everyone proud in fulfilling the responsibilities of Miss Heiva 2024 in San Diego. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for Miss Heiva San Diego 2024 giving her farewell dance. Ladies and gentlemen, Hinanui Swider.
We'll take a short break. If you liked what you saw, let me hear you say yeah!
That was just a warm-up.
Don't worry, Hina. We want to see the whole thing.
DJ Tahiti back there. Hanaho.
We're so proud of Hina for everything that she does. She took this title, represented the Heiva San Diego in Tahiti and went back to serve the community. And it's something we all look forward to and think everything that we should do for the Tahitian community.
And Keho, do you remember the emotions of this aparima? Yes? It must feel so beautiful, yeah? Everyone, want to say Hina, thank you so much. A round of applause for our Hinanui.
Give it up for Hinanui, Swider.
Tōu whenua, atu hia e tōu mau tupuna. Tōu whenua, kuruhia e tōu na mau metua. Ai tara te tātai ti tau. Ai tara te nuna ai ti tau. I poi here iana. Ere o te ie, no te wha i te. I te rave ino, ato te aune. Ere o te ie, no te wha wheruri. I te mauta ata, no to te aune. Tōu whenua, te ananahi o te mautama. Tōu whenua, te ora mau no te o tātoa. Tōu whenua, te ananahi no te mautama. Tōu whenua, te ora mau no te o tātoa. Tōu mau tupuna, tōu whenua. O puruhia e tōu na mau metua. Ati aini a haere mua, no tō tato natura. Ati aini a haere mua, no tō tato whenua. Ere o te e, no te wha i te rave ino, ato te aune. Ere o te e, no te wha wheruri, i te mauta ata, no to te aune. Tōu whenua, te ananahi no te mautama. Tōu whenua, te ora mau no te o tātoa. Tōu whenua, te ananahi no te mautama. Tōu whenua, te ora mau no te o tātoa. 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 Te ora mau no te o tātoa.
Yes. Once again, Miss Heiva San Diego 2024 as her farewell. Lovely, beautiful. Thank you so much, Hinanui.